Hello dear students, you all are taking care of yourself now? Very good. And please students, stay at home. No need to go out of the home. Stay home, stay safe. And please do your study on time. Students, in the previous video, we had learned and we had started with our subject science and the topic our green friends. Yes, students, I hope you all had completed your HW. In that previous video, we had learned the parts of the plants. Then there are the 5 types of the plants, and out of that 5 types of the plants, we had learned first 2, that is the trees and the shrubs. And now today we will learn the remaining types of the plants. So let's start with the remaining types of the plants. Herbs. Yes students, herbs are very small plants. Students, herbs are the very small plants. Trees are the big plants. Then shrubs are the small plants. Then the trees. And now herbs are the very small plants. Most of them are the seasonal. Students, that we can see the trees, then the shrubs, they live for the many years. But that thing is not possible about the herbs. In that herbs, most of them are the seasonal plants. Which plant? Seasonal plants. Then their stems are the soft and weak. That herb stems is very soft and weak. That is the breakable. That stem is very weak, soft and weak. Herbs are very small plants. Most of them are the seasonal. Their stems are soft and weak. For example, tulsi plant, marigold plant. See students, here I bring for you some examples which show us the how are the herbs are. See how weak stem they have. See, and they are very small plants. Yes students, these plants are very small. Their stems are soft and weak. See how soft and weak their stems are. See, in each and every example, there are the weak and soft stem which can be easily breakable. Yes students, they bear the leaves also. Here are the flowers. Their stems bear the leaves and the flowers. Yes students, like this we can learn about the herbs. Herbs are the very small plants and their stems are soft and weak. In picture you can observe that, and also at the home everyone have the plant of the tulsi. You can observe that. After the herbs, the fourth part is the clambers. They have thin and weak stems. The clambers have thin and weak stems that cannot stand straight. Students, see the characteristic of shrub, that they have thin and weak stem that cannot stand straight. Means the clambers have the stem which cannot stand straight. They need support to grow and stand upright. That stems are very thin and weak. That's why these clambers need support to grow and stand. These clambers need support. What they need? Support. And to stand, they need the support. Okay students, a plant that needs the support of other plant any wall or stick. We see various plants when we are doing the farming. At that, if there is the crop of the grape, we can see there are the sticks to grow that grapevine. Yes, no students, you have observed that now, that grapevine is grow with the help with the sticks like this. Again another plants are there which need support to grow. The definition of the climbers is a plant that needs the support of other plants, walls or sticks to grow up. That is called as a climber. That is called as a climber. Students, you have to learn the definition of all the 5 types of the plants. I already taught you the trees, shrubs and the herbs. Now this is the definition of the climbers. A plant that needs the support of the other plants, walls or the sticks to grow up, called as a climber. For example, money plant and grapevine. Students, here also I bring one picture for you that shows you that how climbers need the supports of other things. See, here are the thick sticks are there. Due to this support of this plant is grow up. See, this is called as the climber. That plant need the support of other plant, wall or the stick. That is called as the climber. Clear with you, students? After the climber, the 5th part is the creepers. Our last type of the plant is the creepers. Creepers are weak plants. Creepers are the weak plants that also have the weak and thin stem. Creepers also have they are the weak plants. They also have the weak and thin stems. A plant grow along the ground. But there is the one thing about the creepers, that the creepers are grow along the ground. Creepers are grow along the ground. That climbers take the support of other plants, walls and the sticks. But these creepers are grow along the ground. They grow on the ground. A plant grow along the ground called as creepers and bear the large fruit. These are the weak plants and their stem also the weak and thin. But these plants bear the big fruit and they are grow along with the ground. See students, here I bring one picture for you which show you how creepers are. See, in this picture they grow along with the ground. Yes students, they are grow along with the ground and observe the fruit. That fruit is very big. And for example, the creepers example is the pumpkin, watermelon. These fruits are the examples of the creepers. See, they are grow along with the ground and they bear the very large fruit. Yes, students? Students, here today we learn the 3 definitions, that is the herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Then the climbers. Climbers, a plant that needs the support of the other plants, walls or the sticks to grow up. That is called as the climber. And the creepers. Creepers are the plant grow along the ground. A plant grow along the ground called as a creeper. Students, today we had completed our 5 types of the plants. That is, the first is the trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and the creepers. Like this, we had completed the types of the plants. After this, students, we will learn the more information, more things about the plants. how they spend their life, how they make their foods, with what they are make their food. Let us see some information about the plants. Students, plants are living things. I told you already that plants are the living things. Living things means the things which can move, which can grow, which can reproduce, which can take a breath. That is called as living things. So, the plants are the living things. They make their own food. Students, plants are the only living things which can make their food with themselves, with own. We human beings also depend on the plants for our food. But the plants are the independent. They make their own food. Next, leaves of a plant make a food only during the sunlight. Yes, students, the leaves of the plant makes food only during the sunlight. During the sunlight means during the day. The leaves of the plants make the food with the help of the sunlight through the process of the photosynthesis, and that's the process you will learn in the next classes. Leaves of the plant make the food only during the sunlight. Most of the trees and shrubs have a lifetime of many years. Yes, students, some trees and the shrubs, I already told you that most of the trees and the shrubs they have a lifetime of many years. Yes, trees and shrubs are alive for the many years. Some are alive for the 70, 80. I told you already when I taught you about the trees and the shrubs. But plants like a pea, rice live for a few years. The plants like a pea and rice are live for only few years. Pea, rice are only live for the few months. They only live for the few months. Trees and shrubs are live. Their lifespan is for the years. But the plants like a pea and rice, their lifespan is only for the few months. Okay, students, this is called as the life of a plant. These all things are about the plants. Students, in this entire chapter we had learned the parts of the plants, then the types of the plants. There are again and again I repeat, keep that thing in your mind that you have to learn that. Then the types of the plants, there are the 5 types of the plant. Trees, that is the big plants are called as the trees. Second is the shrubs, that is the small plants are called as the shrubs, and the small than the trees. Then the third one is the herbs, that very small plants are called as the herbs. Then the fourth one is the climber, that a plant need the support of the any other plant, wall or stick called as the climber. And the last one is the creeper, that a plant grow up with along the ground, that called as the creepers. These are the 5 types of the plants, and the last we had learned about the life of plants. Yes, students, like this we had completed our chapter first. In the next video I will tell you that how to solve the question and answers. But for today your HW is you have to learn and write the tree, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers definition and with their one examples. Okay, students, bye bye.